Welcome to the video of how we spent 6 days in Los Angeles. On our first day, we went to Disneyland. As we only had one day in this park, we had purchased the Lightning Lane multi-pass to maximize ride time. We were there from 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. and managed to do 13 rides, watch the parade and see the nighttime illuminations. On day 2, we drove to Universal Studios Hollywood. The park was only open from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m, so we purchased express tickets so we didn't have to waste time in the queues. We did the Mario Kart ride twice, rode 9 other attractions and watched the Water World show. On day 3, we decided to have a pool day, a chance to catch up on sleep, relax and rest our feet ready for lots more walking. Day 4 was spent in Hollywood. Our first stop was the Warner Brothers studio tour. We were here for 3 to 4 hours and enjoyed looking at all the sets and attractions. After the studios, we went to Hollywood Boulevard. We started at the Chinese Theatre and from there walked to the Funko store, looking at all the stars on the Walk of Fame along the way. At the Funko store, we made our own Funkos and spent around an hour looking at all the really cool displays. Our final Hollywood stop was to Lake Hollywood Park. From this location you get really great views of the Hollywood sign. We spent day 5 at the California Adventure Park. We were there from 7:30 a.m. until the park closed late at night. We purchased the Lightning Lane multi-pass tickets so we could make the most of our one day in this park. We rode 11 attractions, but this included doing Guardians of the Galaxy twice. This was because from 3 p.m. during the Halloween season, the ride transforms from the Mission Breakout to Monsters After Dark. We also watched the nighttime World of Color show. The last day on the LA part of our trip was spent at the Griffith Park Observatory. We looked at all the exhibits, saw the telescope room, and watched a show at the planetarium. There is also a good view of the Hollywood sign from the observatory. If you would like more detailed information on the locations we visited in LA, please watch days 16 to 22 of our USA trip available on our channel. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to keep up to date with our content.